Energy is a prospect of matter.
There are two main forms of mechanical energy. There's potential and also kinetic.
Kinetic energy is energy an object has because it is in motion.
Potential energy is the energy an object has
To the temperature and also heat.
Lead energy is carried by light and other kinds of electromagnetic energy.
Sound energy is energy carried by sound waves.
Electric energy is energy produced by electrical charges.
Another form of energy is chemical energy.
Chemical energy is energy stored in chemical bonds.
The last one is nuclear energy, which is energy contained in the nuclei of atoms.
Thermal energy is the total amount of kinetic energy contained in all the particles of a substance. The greater the kinetic energy, the more thermal energy an object has in a substance. The temperature is a measure of average kinetic energy of the particles in a substance. There are three scales of temperature: Fahrenheit, Celsius, and the Kelvin scale. The Kelvin scale is commonly used in physical science. Finally, heat is the transfer of thermal energy.
Light is a type of energy produced by the vibration of electrically charged particles. Some properties of light are that light spreads in all directions. Light travels in straight lines, and light travels 186,282 miles per second. Any color that is dark, the object will take in light. Vice versa, a bright color reflects light. The light rays hit a smooth surface, it will bounce off in one direction. The surface is bumpy, it will bounce off randomly in different directions.
Sound is produced when an object vibrates. The vibrating object pushes the particles of matter next to it and causes them to compress the matter next to it. The compression travels through the matter as a wave of energy. Sound waves need a medium matter to travel to. Sound travels at different speeds throughout different materials. Properties of sound depend in a large part of the amplitude and frequency of the sound waves.
Mechanical energy is energy an object has because of its motion and position. For example, the penguin at the top of the rock has potential energy, energy being stored before movement. Then when he jumps, he has kinetic energy. Adios!